In this video, I want to have a look at volume. So volume is the amount of space that a solid takes up. And when we measure volume, we measure it in cubic units. So that might be millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, or meters cubed. So just here we've got an example of what all of those units look like. So if we had a little cube here that's 1 millimeter high, 1 millimeter wide, and 1 millimeter deep, the amount of space that that cube takes up is 1 cubic millimeter. If we had another cube that is 1 centimeter long, 1 centimeter deep, and 1 centimeter high, then that would take up 1 cubic centimeter. And again, if we had another cube that was 1 meter wide, 1 meter deep, and 1 meter high, the amount of space it takes up is 1 cubic meter, or 1 meter cubed. We've got two examples then that ask us to find the volume of each of the following solids if each cube represents 1 cubic centimeter. So in this one, we need to figure out just how many cubes there are. If we look at this front here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along this bottom row on the front. The top row is the same as well. So if we've got 5 along the bottom, we'll double that, and that'll give us 10 units for this front side. And then we've got a whole nother second layer that's the same behind that. So all up, if that's 10 on the front, we times it by 2, and we'd end up with 20 centimeters cubed. We can do a similar sort of thing here. If we count how many are in this first row, in this L shape, and then we've got another row behind it, so we can double what we get. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means if we double it, because there's that second row behind it, we would have 12 centimeters cubed. So that's just an introduction to volume.